Hello everybody, good morning. We are here at Cancun, Mexico. I'm staying here at the Mayan Monkey Hostel. Those of you who are new to my channel can subscribe to Globetrotter Sarkar on YouTube to get new travel updates. So if you are traveling solo and need to make friends, meet lot of people, then Mayan Monkey Hostel is a good party hostel for you to stay. This is how it looks from the roadside. It is situated on the heart of the hotel zone, Cancun. There is a bus stop right in front of the hostel, so you do not have to rent a car. Taxis are found in abundance and can save you the drive time and hassles of driving, so why rent a car if you're traveling solo? Feel free to stay here at the Mayan Monkey Hostel. I will take you for a property tour. There is beach nearby and you have a beach shower. There is abundance greenery around, good photo spots, place for you to sit and work on your computer. There are many people who are working from home and are digital nomads. So you can come here and work during the day and party at night. This is the front desk of Mayan Monkey Hostel. You can do the booking from their website or through booking.com. You can store your luggage here if you happen to reach early on your day of check-in or check-out. The front desk staff at the Mayan Monkey Hostel, they are fabulous with good customer service skills. They guide you about the tours. This is the activity schedule. So if you do not have a plan for the day, you can chime in to the group activities that are scheduled by the hostel every day, including the beach activities, the happy hour, and those of you who like to party, this is the fun place for you to be. This is the lounge area. We all sit here. You get to meet many people, make new friends. I made a good friend, and today I'm going to hang around with her. We are going to enjoy the whole day. And what's your name?
Shaira. Hello everyone.
Hi, this is Shaira. I'm Sonali, and we are going to have a great holiday today. Explore all the beautiful places that Cancun has to offer, and if you have a good friend, then it's a cherry on top. Let me give you a tour of the lobby area, the breakfast area. So this is the place where people sit, hang around. There is subtle music in the background all day long. I'm here to enjoy my Christmas vacation and the New Year's. I'm staying here only for tonight, and then we'll go out to the nearby places like Playa del Carmen, Tulum. This is the bar area and the breakfast area. which goes live at night. Every night there's a party, nice music. We have fabulous staff here who serve you breakfast. And the breakfast is so delicious. And it is included in your hostel stay. So this area is fun for single people or couples who like to enjoy life because it's situated close to the lagoon. You can see the beautiful water and greenery in the background. And there are lots of seating areas. You can sit here, relax, surf the net, make friends, plan out a beautiful itinerary, and they have a beautiful small Christmas tree to celebrate Christmas and New Year's for the holidays. Frankly speaking, I am enjoying and having a fabulous time here. And if you are visiting Cancun, Mexico, make sure you visit the Mayan Monkey Hostel. They also have a pool. So if you like to swim around and after a long day chill in the beautiful pool, then you can do so. The water is clean. They are recycling it. And what a fun place to be. My principle in life is work hard but party harder. So we all have busy lives and work hard all year round. But when you are taking a vacation, make sure you plan out a good vacation at fabulous places. Chill, make new friends, and that's what life is all about. Stay happy and spread happiness in everybody's life in and around you. Just like the pineapple. Be sweet and spread the sweetness. Let me give you a tour of the hostel. They have a beautiful backyard and you can chill here if you don't like too much of music because it's kind of silent. And there are a lot of beach beds. You can lie down here and watch this beautiful view in front of you with the skyline of Mexico, Cancun. So daytime, this place is kind of low vibe, but night it comes alive. There's huge music, but word of caution. If you do not like music, you do not like to party, or you have a flight to catch the next day, then you might consider staying somewhere else. But if you have just landed in Cancun, you want to party at least for a day or two or a night or two, then this is a fun place for you to be. So I landed up here, I had my party night, then I'll be going to Playa del Carmen, Tulum, to do some tours to Chichen Itza and other touristy places that Mexico has to offer. So many people are quite skeptical that is Cancun safe, especially for solo female travelers. I would say yes. Exercise your caution, travel in good safe areas like the hotel zone, mingle with the young educated crowd like the students, the single people, couples who come here from all over the world, and they are also pretty much like you, skeptical, wondering what to do. But here everybody is a traveler, everybody is new to this place, and would definitely like to mingle around and feel safe. So here we have the wonderful staff of Mayan Monkey Hostel. Say hello. They serve you excellent breakfast. They greet you with a smile. And all I can say, muchas gracias. They love you. And we all love them. That's what Christmas and holidays is about. Love one another, spread the word of peace, happiness with people in and around you. And all I can say is Viva Mexico. I love Mexico. I love Cancun. And not to keep my friend waiting for a long time, we are going to go out and enjoy the whole day, taking tours and eating out. Here is a Mexican hat for photography. So once again, my friends, if you come here to Cancun, Mexico, do stay here at the Mayan Monkey Hostel. Enjoy your party night and you will remember me. If you like this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to Globetrotter Sarpa. Thank you and best wishes. Happy holidays and a Merry Christmas.